Natalie, and we've got Master Titan here.
Hello.
Today we are going to talk about power. Right, okay.
Yes.
So there you go. Power. How do we use power?
Yes, so
for the Tiraball.
Everybody remember day one we already trained how to control the tiny metal ball inside this Tiraball, okay? Because this Tiraball is tailor-made by our design how to make it perfect with these 150 tiny balls inside the Tiraball to generate different forces, okay? So yesterday, day one, you already know how to control it. So I assume every one of you already know how to control the rotation, right? Okay, today, day two, we learn how to use the power. You will see there's a free Chinese word here written on the board. I'm sure you don't know what is it, okay? But now I explain to you. That is meaning three modes of the Tiraball power. One is a soft power, which is a more general, very comfort power.
We might have to get a little bit closer.
Yeah, so you will see the word.
Three words.
Yeah,
okay.
And then the other word is mean powerful. You will use more bigger power, more strong power to move it. So which is for the exercise, for weight loss, okay? The weaker power, more gentle power is for the rehabilitation. Okay, so the final word is more like a strike, okay? This is how you can optimize your power inside your body. So which is for the fitness improvement. So this is the three models of how to use the Tiraball with different power, okay? So now, we start with the basic one, which is a gentle power. This is more for the recovery, okay? So, it just slowly and make it soft, so I will get it closer so we will see it. We just do it like half of the balls rolling. So you will see a lot of balls still staying on the bottom of the ball, and you just move it half of the tiny balls running. And you can determine by the sound. When you hear the sound, okay, I'll let you hear the sound. So it is very gentle. And you will see my whole body movement, it's just very tiny, I don't move a lot. And it's very comfortable, you can breathe very easily, and this just, you can stay for longer and longer time, just keep it moving. So this is a soft power. So remember it, because our whole training for 30 days, it will teach you how to do some rehabilitation for different disease. We use a lot of this soft power to using the Tiraball. So the first skills, you have to make sure you can control just less tiny ball moving, and even finally you can control only one metal ball rolling. So I show you. Okay, you see it is just slowing down. So you will hear the sound is different. Now when I get it closer, so you will see
just one tiny metal ball
in
the middle.
It's running. So this is the minimum power you will use it. And this is perfectly for rehabilitation exercise, okay? So this is the first mode, which is using soft power, which is more slowly, gently power to generate the forces for the Tiraball. Okay, second, we do it is more a powerful exercise. So we move all the tiny balls inside the Tiraball, move it around it. Okay, you have to make sure all of them moving. You see, you hear the sound is different. It's more powerful, more noisy, and you will see the motion is more quicker. And even my whole body motion is more stronger, more quicker. And you will feel very tired. After you do like 30 seconds or even 10 seconds, you can feel you use a lot of energy. So this is for training your whole muscle to squeeze the energy out, to make sure it is all in the power circulate inside the ball, okay? The difference is you move all the tiny metal balls around the circuit, okay? So this is more powerful, okay? Powerful
With
movement.
that level of power, every day 5 minutes, and then your big tummy will go.
Exactly. So this is the second mode. So final word for this is a strike. So this is totally different. The sound is different. You can hear. See? Even you go forward or you go downwards, the sound is different because it is strike on the surface on the ball. You see, you can hear it's totally different. And this is a straight motion, it's a vertical motion. We move the tiny paddle ball straight on the surface. See, you can hear the sound is different. This is for training. If you're training martial arts, if you're doing a lot of exercise, this is for power strike training. So because even though I teach you how to do a punch, you don't know what is it training, what is training for, which level I will reach in. Using this ball, you hear the sound, so you know your power is enough for a strike. Because if your power is not enough, you see, you hear the sound will be rolling. So this is how you determine strike and powerful rolling. Okay, this free mode, soft rolling and powerful rolling and strike. Okay, so the differences between it, for soft and powerful one, it is a circular motion. You will hear the sound as different. For strike, it's a vertical and straightforward strike on the surface. So totally different momentum to move it. Okay, so learn these three forces, how to apply to Tiraball, and then for the whole 30 days training, when you're going on to see our manual, you will check it out. We're going to teach you how to deal with diabetes and cancer prevention and several diseases. We will dealing with the chronic pain. You will use different power to operate this Tiraball. Okay? So tonight your homework is try this out to make sure you understand this three type of power, how to control it. Okay?
Right, okay, everyone keep practicing and we'll see you next time.
Okay, if you have any question, just leave me a message and we will answer your question through the video also. Okay? So see you tomorrow for day 3 exercise. Bye.